In this, what we will do? We sum all the digits. Okay, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 3. What we will get? 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 3, 25. 25 plus 2, 27. Is 27 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, 27 is divisible by 3. We get 3 nines are 27. So yes, this is divisible. Okay, so we can say this whole number is also divisible by 3. Taking our question number 3rd. In this we need to test divisible by 4. Our A part is 76,892. What is the divisibility rule for 4? In this we check its last 2 digits. Is this last 2 digit is divisible by 4, then this whole number is also divisible by 4. Okay, so what is the last 2 digit is at the ones and tens place is 9 to 92. Is this 92 is divisible by 4? Let us check. 4, how we will check? 4 2s are 8. What we will get? 1 2 4 3s are 12. So yes, this 92 is divisible by 4. So this whole number is also divisible by 4. Correct. Now we do our question number 4th, that is test divisible by 5. A part 3,46,789. Is this number is divisible by 5? What the rule says for the divisibility of 5? It says that if the number having at its ones place is either 0 or 5, then that number is only divisible by 5. क्या इस नंबर के अंदर वंस डिजिट के ऊपर 0 है या 5 है? क्या इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक डिजिट है 0 या 5 में से? नहीं है. तो so this number is not divisible by 5. Okay, the number which having 5 at its ones place, that number is only divisible by 5. Okay, so go for our question number 5 is test the divisibility by 6. Our A part is 71,124. What the divisibility rule of 6? The divisibility of rule 6 says the number if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number is also divisible by 6. Correct. So let us check for the 2. Is 4 comes in 2's table? Yes, 2 2s are 4. So this number is divisible by 2. Now we check for the divisibility of 3. Is this number is divisibility of 3? What we will do here? 7 plus 1 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus, sorry, here one more, 1 plus 4. What will we get? 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 7 is 15. Is 15 is divisible by 3? Yes, 15 is divisible by 3. So this 71124 is also divisible by 6. Okay, now we go for question number 6, that is test divisibility by 8. What the rule says for the test of divisibility by 8? Take our question number first, that is 8364. If last 3 digit is divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by 8. Okay, like in the test of divisibility of 4, what we have done here, we check the last 2 digits, that's the ones and tens. But in test of divisibility by 8, we check its last 3 digits, ones, tens and 100. If these 3 digits, these combination of 3 digits is divisible by 8, then this whole number is also divisible by 8. So here we are going to check, is 364 is divisible by 8 or not. So let us check, is this divisible by 8 or not. What will say, count for 8 8 or 16 is 24, 8 4 32, 8 4 are 32. So what we will get here, remainder 4. Okay, and 4 is क्या 44 आता है 8 की टेबल में? 8 5 are 40. No. So here remainder we having 4. So this number is not divisible by 8. Not divisible by 8. So this number is not divisible by 8. Okay. Now our question number 7. Here we are going to see the test the divisibility by 9. Here A part is saying that 7,89,651. What is the rule of test of divisibility of 9? Here we are going to sum all the digits individually. If that sum is divisible by 9, then that whole number is also divisible by 9. So 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 1. What we will get here? 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 9. What we will get? 12 plus 9 21, 21 plus 8 29, 29 plus 7 36. So 36 is divisible by 9. Yes, 9 4 are 36. So this number is divisible by 9. Okay, now same we will do for the question number 8, and that is saying the divisibility rule of 10. That is simple. The number which having at their ones place having value equal to 0, then that number is divisible by 10. Okay, now we are going for the question number 9, that is to test the divisibility by 11. A part, what is saying that 4 5 5 and 400, this number is divisible by 11. What we will do, we will add all odd place digits. Okay, so odd place is 1 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we will sum 0 plus 4 plus 5, we will get 9. Now here add all even place digits. Okay, we get 0, then 5, then 4. Okay, we get 9. Now we get the difference of both. 9 minus 9, this is an A, this is an B. So A minus B is 9 minus 9 is 0. So is 0 is divisible by 11 or not? Say, is 0 is divisible by 11 or not? 0 is not divisible by 11, but we can say if we get 0 as a difference, then this number is divisible by 11. ओके, अगर या तो जो डिफरेंस आया है वो या तो अगर डिविजिबल हो ना 11 से, और अगर नहीं भी हो तो भी, और अगर नहीं है और वो इक्वल टू 0 आ रहा अगर उनका डिफरेंस, तो भी वो नंबर 11 से डिविजिबल होता है. ठीक है ना. मतलब कि द नंबर विच हैविंग द डिफरेंस odd, having the odd, the sum of all odd place digits and odd add of all even place digits, and we having the difference these odd digits and even digits, we get the difference 0, then that number is also divisible by 11. Okay, now we will do here our question number 10. Here our question number 10 is saying that their test divisible by 3, and here we need to find it out the missing number in this place value. What is this place? Ones, tens, hundred, this is an thousand, this is an 10,000, this is an lakh. So for divisibility of 3, what we do is we do the sum all the digits, right? So here we are going to sum all the digits. 3 plus 2 plus dash नहीं पता जो हमें, 3 plus 8 plus 6. So what we will get here? 6 plus 8, how much? It is 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. So 22 में हम ऐसा क्या नंबर ऐड करें कि हमें वो जो नंबर मिल जाए जो 3 से डिविजिबल होता है. तो what we can add smallest number in this, so we can get this number is whole number is divisible by 3. what we will add here, हम ऐसा कौन सा नंबर इस जगह पे ऐड करें कि हमें ऐसा नंबर मिल जाए कि जो नंबर सम आने पे वो नंबर 3 से डिविजिबल हो जाए. सो वी कैन से like we start the counting, we start the table of 3 to 6 and 9, 3 4 12, 3 5 15, 3 6 18, 3 7 21, 3 8 24. So here we will need to add the 2, so we get 24. The 24 is divisible by 3, so here 2 will come at this place. So our answer is here is 2. What the number will come at here? The number will come at here is 2. Okay, this is our answer. Like this you need to do all the exercise 3.3 into your notebook. Okay, so here I am writing the note that do exercise 3.3 into your notebook. Okay, thank you.